gentlemen, you're all very welcome to Boston, where the local time is 7 o'clock. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking is not permitted until you're in a designated smoking area. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Remember to check the overhead bins and seat pocket in front of you. Please take care when opening the overhead bins in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or another customer. Before your next flight, we invite you to log on to our website, airlingus.com, where you will find the best deals on flights, Aer Lingus car hire, hotels and travel insurance. Once again, I'd like to thank you for choosing Travel Aer Lingus today. Your choice has been our pleasure, and we look forward to working with a number of our services in the very near future. Dermal Vacorj, if we hash Aer Lingus news, Slowing Hispanic Local Air. Thank you, goodbye, and a safe onward journey to you all.